match. Now, let's get into some golf action. And John Legerma of Railways Golf Club was on top of the leaderboard on the first day of the Windsor Classic at the Windsor Golf Club yesterday. Legerma scored a 38 on the first 9 and 34 on the second 9, making a total of 72. Daniel Kiragu finished second, and Chandaria Bavnish, Bama Rumoni, and Masharia and Joyce Wanjuru tied on third.
From Kenya Railway Golf Club, I'm glad I really pulled it to push it to level. Through 17 holes, I was 1 under until number 18, where I dropped a shot. I got a bogey on number 18. But yeah, ideally, the course is in pristine condition. Going tomorrow, I'll just stick to my game plan. Basically, for Windsor, I'm sure I have an idea of, because I was a winner before. So basically, I have an idea. The layout of the course.
Windsor Classic is part of the Kenya Amateur Golf Series under the Kenya Golf Union. And this year, I'm pleased to announce we have 130 entrants. This year, we have a cash prize winning of about 450,000, redistributed to the top 20 players. So I'd like to encourage everybody, come and support your fellow members, come and support your friends from clubs. For lovers of golf, come out and watch. It's going to be a very, very good tournament. I'd like to particularly thank NCBA for being a title sponsor for the Kenya Amateur Golf Series.
Now, the Football Federation Premier League enters week 23 this afternoon. Nairobi City